So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-login ng account sa ating SSS or sa My SSS app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na meron na kayong SSS app sa inyong mobile device and dapat naka-register na kayo or meron na kayong account sa kanila. So kapag meron na kayong account guys, pwede na tayong mag-login sa ating My SSS. So open nyo lang guys yung application. And then dito sa pinaka-application ng ating My SSS, kailangan tandaan nyo lang yung user ID and then yung password ng inyong SSS. So ang gagawin nyo lang guys, lagay nyo lang yung user ID and then password. So ayan guys, after yung mailagay yung inyong user ID and password, tap na natin yung login. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nakapag-login na tayo dito sa ating My SS app and ito na yung pinakang homepage or dashboard ng ating application or My SSS app. So dito guys, mas mabilis nating ma-access yung ating mga information or details and then yung contribution kung magkano na ba yung naihulog natin. So meron din silang notification dito kung ano ba yung mga kailangan nating i-update and kung ano pa ba yung mga kailangan nating gawin sa ating account sa SSS. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-login ng account sa SSS. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.